Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Chief Scientist of World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, says COVID-19 may be becoming endemic in India. Health Ministry requests states and union territories to vaccinate all school teachers on priority. NBSE asks registered institutions to admit only those students who have been certified by Council of Boards of School Education, and 21 teachers to receive State Teachers Award 2021. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And State Helpline number 18003450019. And now the news. Chief Scientist of World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, said COVID-19 in India may be entering the endemic stage. Swaminathan said India may be entering a stage where there is low or moderate level of transmission. He said given the size of the country and the heterogeneity of population and immunity status in different parts of the country, it is feasible that the situation may continue like this with ups and downs in various parts of the nation. Swaminathan further stated that by the end of 2022, the world would be in a position to achieve vaccine coverage of 70% and that countries can get back to normal. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Mansukh Mandavia said the central government has requested the states and union territories to vaccinate all the school teachers. In a tweet, Mandavia said all states have been requested to vaccinate teachers on priority basis before Teachers' Day, which will be celebrated on 5th September. Mandavia said more than 2 crore additional vaccine doses will be dispatched to the states from 27 to 31st of August 2021 to vaccinate school teachers and non-teaching staff on a priority basis. Nagaland Board of School Education (NBSE) notified on recognition of examinations conducted only by the member boards of Council of Boards of School Education in India (COBC). In a notification, NBSE informed all registered institutions to admit only the students who have studied and have been certified passed or qualified at an examination by a member board or council of COBC. Institutions have further been asked to verify that the students have studied and appeared in the core subjects of mathematics, science, social sciences, English, and a second language. 21 teachers to receive State Teachers Award 2021. Principal Director Education Department Shanavas C. informed that 11 teachers from government schools and 10 teachers from private schools will be awarded the State Teachers Award on 5th September during the occasion of Teachers' Day. Shanavas further congratulated all the awardees. Cabinet today approved the highest ever fair and remunerative price of 290 rupees per quintal for sugarcane. Union Minister for Commerce and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Piyush Goyal, said this decision will benefit 5 core sugarcane farmers and their dependents. Goyal further stated that this will also be immensely beneficial to 5 lakh workers employed in sugar mills and related ancillary activities. Government will brief the floor leaders of all political parties on the situation in Afghanistan tomorrow. In a tweet, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has instructed the Ministry of External Affairs to brief the floor leaders. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on a YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Union Minister of Power and New and Renewable Energy Raj Kumar Singh stated that India has achieved emission reduction by 28% over 2005 levels against the proposed target of 35% by 2030. Speaking at an event, Union Minister said that India is among the few countries globally which has kept to its Paris climate change commitments, along with an exponential increase in renewable energy capacity. Kumar said the government has enacted favourable policies and regulations to boost the clean energy sector, and that India has been aggressively pushing for energy efficiency improvements through a combination of innovative market mechanisms, institutional strengthening, and capacity building. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan chaired a high-level meeting today with all states and union territories in the presence of Union Pharma Secretary S. Aparna. During the meeting, the progress of COVID-19 vaccination was reviewed and states were advised to focus on enhancing second dose coverage as well as immunization of school teachers and staff. States were also apprised on prompt utilization of emergency COVID response package funds and were advised to ensure compliance of COVID-appropriate behavior and other precautionary measures ahead of the upcoming festival season. Principal Commissioner Home Abhijit Sinha held a review meeting today with senior officers assigned to districts to review the management of COVID-19. In the meeting, the assigned officers expressed concern at the low turnout for vaccinations. They viewed that the main challenge of vaccination is vaccine hesitancy among the people. The officers expressed a need for more awareness campaign, especially in rural areas. In order to prepare for the third wave, the government has also decided to ramp up testing, vaccination coverage, and strengthening of healthcare infrastructure in the districts. Nagaland continues to witness gradual decline in COVID-19 cases as the number of recoveries continue to surpass new infections. Nagaland today recorded 49 new cases, while 62 people who were previously infected recovered. The state also recorded one death. Of the total new cases, 24 were from Dimapur, 11 in Mukokchung, 9 in Kohima, 2 from Longlang and Mon, while Wokha and Zonapura reported a case each. Cumulative total COVID-19 cases in Nagaland has risen to 29,718, while the total recoveries have improved to 27,373. Total COVID deaths stands at 598. The state currently has 871 active cases. Ministry of Jal Shakti began Sujalam, a 100 days campaign as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. The campaign has been initiated to create more open defecation-free plus villages by undertaking wastewater management at a village level through creation of 1 million soak pits and other grey water management activities. The effort of campaign would be directed towards achieving open defecation-free plus status for villages across the country in an accelerated manner. Kohima Educational Society has announced shortlisted books for 2021 Cotton Graham Prize for Naga Literature. 4 authors in fiction and 6 in non-fiction category has been shortlisted for this year's award. An independent panel of 3 judges will review the shortlisted books and announce the winner in November. The Gordon Graham Prize was instituted with the intent to assist the education of the Nagas who helped the British during the Battle of Kohima. Rashtrapati Bhavan has invited online applications from faculty members and students of central universities for Visitors Awards 2021 in different categories. Applicants can apply for the Visitors Award for Innovation, Research in Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences, Physical Sciences and Biological Sciences, and Technology Development. Applicants can apply by visiting the website www.residentofindia.nic.in. The last date for submitting the application is 31st of October. And now to the news, here are the main points again. Chief Scientist of World Health Organization Dr. Soumya Swaminathan says COVID-19 may be becoming endemic in India. Health Ministry requests states and union territories to vaccinate all school teachers on priority. NBSE asks registered institutions to admit only those students who have been certified by Council of Boards of School Education. and 21 teachers to receive State Teachers Award 2021. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.